Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect ComfyUI to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to N8N and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, click on Overview and then click on Create Workflow. From here, give this workflow a name. I'm going to call this ComfyUI. Then from here, we need to add a first step. Then on the right hand side, type in HTTP and we need to do a HTTP request. Now, depending what you want to do here, where it says method, click on the drop down and then we can choose delete, head, options, patch, post, put. So choose which option you would like to use. Then from here it says URL, go ahead and copy your Comfy URL and chuck that in here. So go ahead and copy the URL, come back to here and paste that in like so. Then we've got to go ahead and choose the authentication. So we can do a predefined credential type. So we've already implemented auth for many services so that you don't have to set up manually, or you can choose generic credential type. So fully customizable, choose between basic, header, OAuth 2, etc. So choose either one of these. So with the authentication type, if you're set up for a predefined credential type, go ahead and click onto that. Then where it says credential type, you can choose which one you want to use for this. So I'm going to choose Action Network API. Then from here, it will say Action Network API. Click onto that and click on Create New Credential. And then you want to go ahead and paste in your API key here and then hit Save. And you can find that API key by going back to your comfy.org. Now paste that in here. And then go ahead and click onto Save. Then when we come back here, we've got the option to toggle these on and off. So send query parameters, send headers, send body. Also, if we click on the settings, we can adjust the digital options here as well by toggling these on and off as well. And on error, we can stop workflow, continue using error output. And also give it some notes here as well.